everyone. Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport.
Ninoy Aquino International Airport.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. Voice calls with the use of mobile phones are still prohibited until the doors are opened. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as items may have moved during the flight. And also check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Ong and First Officer Babera, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of our important moments. It was a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Maraming salamat po sa paglipad kasama ang Cebu Pacific. For passengers with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that an authorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. Also ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose these in the bins that will be provided near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. Naming pinaalahanan ang lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. Maraming salamat po. And for passengers needing assistance, such as wheelchair, are advised to deplane last, using the forward door only. Para sa mga panauhin na kailangan ng tulong tulad ng wheelchair, kayo po ay huling bababa gamit ang unahang pintuan lamang. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or Subgo, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach our ground personnel upon disembarkation.